Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issues on Windows 11 if your wireless mouse is not working. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to make sure that your wireless mouse is connected through your mouse's USB receiver or by Bluetooth. Now with your wireless mouse, you will get a small wireless device, which is the receiver of the signal that the wireless mouse will send. When you connect this device to your PC, your wireless mouse will light up and it will be detected by your PC, after which you can use it. You may also connect through Bluetooth by simply clicking on the volume bar icon at the bottom right corner. From here, just click on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on, and then click on the arrow icon alongside it to search for your Bluetooth mouse device. You may need to turn the mode to Bluetooth by using a button, which is usually found at the bottom of the mouse. Once you find your mouse's name, you can simply click on it and connect it to start using your mouse by your Bluetooth without using the USB receiver. Now, if you cannot detect your mouse by Bluetooth or by using the wireless USB receiver, then this means that your battery has probably run out. So if it is a rechargeable one, then you will need to use a charging port in order to recharge the battery, or you will need to replace it. After doing so, your wireless mouse will now start to work right away. If it still doesn't work, then this probably means that the mouse has sadly died and you will now need to get a new one. And there you have it. That is how you can fix the issues of wireless mouse not working on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.